Gboard, the keyboard application developed by Google, boasts a multitude of impressive features, one of which stands out: the floating keyboard. This particular feature empowers users to elevate their typing experience by allowing them to effortlessly float, resize, and reposition the keyboard on the screen. This proves particularly beneficial when engaged in tasks that demand maximum screen utilization. In the forthcoming tutorial, we will delve into the process of enabling or disabling the floating keyboard on Android. Prior to embarking on the subsequent steps, it is imperative to ensure that your Gboard is updated to the latest version. To activate the floating Gboard keyboard, initiate any application where text input is required. Locate the G icon positioned at the top left corner of the keyboard and proceed to tap it. Next, click on the three dots icon situated on the right side. Subsequently, a simple tap on the floating option is all that is needed to set your keyboard afloat. Upon activation, the floating keyboard becomes readily movable. Employ the four-way arrow icon to effortlessly drag and position the keyboard according to your preference. Moreover, by tapping on the four-way arrow icon, the corners become highlighted, enabling you to resize the keyboard by dragging these corners. Once the floating feature is enabled, every instance of keyboard usage will involve the floating keyboard. If there arises a need to revert to the standard keyboard view, simply tap and hold the four-way arrow icon, then drag the keyboard to the bottom of the screen. As a bonus tip for those who frequently utilize the floating keyboard, you can enhance accessibility by adding the floating option to the top of the keyboard. Achieve this by tapping and holding the floating option, then dragging it to the suggestion strip.